Sputio.
Sputio, ma'am.
Yeah, Sputio. Yeah, Sputio. I'm sorry. Let me turn on even server also because it is taking time. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, just because just to turn on, it is taking time. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, just let me know your questions. So I'm going to answer. Yeah, Madhavi Garu. I think Madhavi Garu, from yesterday, I think I have shared. Otherwise, you please get from any other people. Actually, sorry, I'm really busy with the other things. Okay, if possible, today I'll do. Otherwise, Saturday, Sunday, I cannot do. Okay. So regarding these recording the classes, I'll sort out by this weekend. I already said that. See, don't depend on only recordings. That is only for your reference purpose. No, recordings, these things you can get number of recordings even in net. Okay, but class is different from a recording. You can clarify your doubts in the class, whereas in the recording, just you need to listen what it is we are discussing over there. No interaction won't be there in a recording, right? Yeah, many people what is your query? When we get data from database, if there are any relations existing, those will loaded in Power BI. Okay, when we are getting no relationships won't be loaded in a Power BI. Only like individual data set. Every table will be treated as a single data set. Those relations, if it is required, you need to do it in a Power BI in data modeling. Along with the relations, you can't get the data, ma. But very good question. But along with the relations, you cannot fetch the data into Power BI. Yeah, if it is required, we need to create the relationships in Power BI. Yes. Otherwise, the related data you cannot fetch it, right? You need to fetch the data. Related data means, yes, you need to give the relationships. Okay? Yeah, Sportiva. So, once if you click on Power BI icon, we are getting like this. But earlier, it was not there. This is the recent version. So, recent version, look and feel. Like every monthly one update it will come. I think this is April or March 31st update, I guess, or April recent version this is. Okay. So just click on new. If you want to open the existing one, just open, or else just click on new. Once we open, you can see here, this is like a title bar. These all are earlier versions. We have only three views. Those all are report view, and table view and model view. Only these three views are there in earlier versions. But if you are getting this one also, this is a DAX query view. This is a recent update. It has been added very recently. In earlier versions, we have only three views. We don't have this DAX query view. Okay. In recent versions, it has been added. And these things, it is called as the ribbons. Like in these ribbons, like if you see right side adjacent here, if you click here, switch ribbons, you can switch the ribbons. So here, like nothing difference here, along with larger icons, it gives, that's it, nothing mm, here smaller icons, and no text related stuff is not there. Okay, this is called as an canvas. This is a canvas window, canvas area. We can plot any charts here. And coming to these things, these all are right side. You can see filters, visualizations, data. These all called as panes. PANES, panes. This is filter pane. This is visualization pane. This is data pane. Okay. And coming to the down here, like you will have like a Excel, you will get different pages. If you want, you can add a number of pages. There is no limitation. Okay. As per your report requirement, you can add multiple pages over here. Okay. So now I want to get the data. Now just, I wanted to save this. Just save. If you save the data, if you save this Power BI file, extension would be .pbix. Okay. Please mute yourself. I'll answer your queries. I'll give a chance. But as of now, I cannot give chance to. raise your queries. Okay, I'm just saving this file, like I'm saving May 10, like Spurti underscore May 10. Okay, Power BI classes. And just to see here, right side, PBIX extension. Okay, save the file. Once you save, that you can see the title in the title bar. Till that time, it would be untitled. Once you save, you can see the name of the file. It is just still saving. That is the reason it is not visible. Yeah, I think it got saved now. No, still it is saving. Yeah, it got saved now. So we have given the name like Spurti May 10. Okay. I need to get the data now because this is a visualization tool. I need to like if you want to present your report in a like why a report we do to present our data in a effective manner. We need a report. So I wanted to get the data, like it supports more than 150 sources, I said. So Excel, PowerPoint, SQL, MySQL, Access, uh, like many, I can say, Salesforce, from web, from Facebook, anything. You can take it as a source. But as of now, for our class purpose, I am just getting the data from Excel. Get data. This is the get data option. You can get the data from here also, or else here you can see the icons. Okay. From here also you can get the data into Power BI. So both are same. If you use here or if you use here, both are same. Okay, I'm just getting the data. Here I have multiple sources like CSV, web, OData, like data flows, Power BI, like Dataverse. If you click on more, you have categories as well. I think 9 categories like files, folders, databases, like that. In each category, different term. This is all. If it is file category, you will get all file related things: Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, PDF, like a SharePoint folder. These all are comes under files. Databases. We have different databases: SQL Server, Access, Oracle, IBM DB2, okay, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Sybase, Teradata, SAP HANA. From these all DBs, many DBs. See here, these many DBs it supports. MongoDB and all. Okay, these all are our platform. Also, you can get the data from Azure SQL and Azure table storage. Like these also from online services also you can get it, like in any web or SharePoint online. Okay, Azure DevOps, anything. These all are the sources it supports. You can fetch the data from any of these sources. Any of these sources, around 150 plus sources it supports. You can fetch the data. Okay, but in our it is not possible us to show all these sources because I don't have any other except SQL Server. Nothing is there in my system. I already shown how to get the data from SQL Server. So in our class, I will show Excel and the text file I can show and folder. Only 2-3 types I can explain. But I cannot explain all these things because these all are the things are not available. So if you join anywhere, like, any office, so from where they are getting, based on that, you need to connect it. Okay. So now I'm just going Excel, connect, just click on connect. So sample, this is my Excel file name. Just click and open. Then automatically, if you get the data, it fetches the data. Once you get, like, data, it gives the, like, notification to us when data is loading. Okay, connecting. Please mute yourself, ma. Yeah, Chaitanya. Yeah. So while doing loading, we got here like a navigator window. Here, whatever the sheets we have seen in Excel, those 3 sheets, it is showing like a tables here. So if I want a particular table, I'll just select that particular table and I can load it. But I want all the 3 tables. Just select these 3 tables. If you want only particular one table, you can select as per your choice. And if you wanted to do while loading only any transformations, you can go for transformations tab here. But I don't want to do any transformations at this moment. I'm just clicking on load. Yeah, Kotesarrao garu. Yeah, in real time, which courses of data will be used most of the times means, like, I cannot say, like, but I have been working as a Power BI developer from past 6 years. But in these 6 years, I have been, like, using a SharePoint, and I'm using Excel. I have used Excel. I have used SQL. In one project, I have used Oracle as a source. And one project, in current project, I am getting the data. I'm like, my source of data is like OFeed. Okay. Uh, yeah, these all are the sources which I have seen till now in past 6 years in different projects. So that is depends on your project and company. I hope I answered your question, ma. Okay. Yeah. See what it is giving notification. they have been it is asking to apply the changes. Yes, it is loading. What it is doing, it is fetching the data, and from it is connecting to source and fetching the data and loading into Power BI memory. Power BI is a in-memory tool. It is saving the data into Power BI.
మ్యామ్ ఒక్కసారి నావిగేటర్ విండో ఎక్కడ నుండి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది చెప్పరా?
Sputivam,
మ్యామ్ నావిగేటర్ విండో ఓపెన్ చేశారు కదా, అది ఏ కాలం నుంచి ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఒకసారి చెప్పరా?
sorry, your voice is very low. ఒక్కసారి మీరు కొంచెం లౌడ్గా చెప్తారమ్మా? ఐఎమ్ స్ట్రగ్లింగ్ టు హియర్. చెప్పండి. Someone is asking something. Okay, let me read.
నాకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది. జస్ట్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్ ఈవెన్ దో సైజ్ పెద్దదైనా గానీ ఇంత టైం తీసుకుంటుంది కదా లోడ్ అవ్వడానికి.
ఓకే, వాట్స్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ?
అంటే వై దిస్ మచ్ టైం ఇస్ టేకింగ్ టు లోడ్ దిస్ ఎక్సెల్ even though if that how much size it will be, why only excel only it was taking this much time? We connect other databases, how much time it will be take?
That is depends on size of the data and your processor speed as well, right? System processor speed as well.
Okay.
Madam, can we set any limit for the memory?
Yeah, yes, I am about to tell that. You ask that. Yes, we have the limitation 1 GB.
And another question, like when you are connected to different databases, the procedure of the connection and is there any different formats for fetching the data, or we have the common thing?
We already seen how to get the data from SQL Server. So actually, while getting a DB, you need to provide your server details and database details, and you have to write your query over there. Okay. So rest of the databases, maximum databases will follow the same. You need to provide your server details, and you need to provide your database details, but database would be optional, and you need to uh, write your query over there. That is the process to get to fetch a data from any DB. But coming to these files, you need to get the data, connect to that file and get the data. So, and coming to the folder, we need to give a path of the folder, like not complete path, only root folder path you need to provide. Okay, folder I will show how to, you need to just provide the path, root folder path. If you provide from there, you can connect to the respective file. And coming to the SharePoint, in a SharePoint also, path you need to provide. Okay, so yeah, these 3 files are loaded. Once if I load and if I save, no, tomorrow onwards, no need to again load and these things. Okay, after completion of loading, you can see right hand side, still it is not populated, but it will show 3 different data sets. Whatever 3 files, 3 tables we have loaded, that 3 tables you can see right hand side under data. Okay, still it is taking, yeah, see here, right hand side, people is one table, returns is one table, and sales order is another table. Okay, please mute yourself. It is distracting the class. Okay, please show one example from SQL data also. We already covered, Nitya, how to get the data from SQL. If time permits, I will see. But this is already, it has been covered. Okay, in our previous sessions, like how to fetch the data from SQL Server has been covered. So please don't expect any repetitive class. Okay, because if I have a time, definitely I'll show. Because if I am doing the repetition, then whatever the content I need to deliver, that I need to, like, I can't deliver the full content what I have, like, plan to deliver. Okay, so under a data pane, I have seen 3 data sets. One is people, one is returns, one is sales order. So what exactly this one, what data we have under this one? Just if you click here, see here, this is the people. If you see the storage mode, whatever I just has opted, like a import, we are importing the data from that file to Power BI. Power BI is the in-memory visualize, in-memory tool. Okay, so at what time we have done, it is giving the details. Just if you click here, I have 2 columns under this table. If I click here also 2 columns. Under this, I have many columns. Okay, these all are the columns I have under sales order. So we'll just go and see what exactly this data, if you click this data set, under table view, you can see the data actually. Under table view, you can see the data, what exactly in that. Column 1, column 2, there is no data in the first thing. And coming to here, in data set, no data, we'll see. And coming to here, different columns. Yeah, columns are there. Data is there. Yeah. Okay. Default memory size 1 GB I said. Okay. If I need to do any transformations, these all are, if you look at the data, like, few columns are okay. Few columns, like, if you look at here, something sigma it is showing. And here one sigma. What exactly this sigma means? Any data type, if it is like, varchar or a char or textual data, it won't show anything. But if any numeric data type, it will give prefix as a sigma. Okay, these all are, numeric columns. like postcode is a numbers, numerical data. This is also profit is a numerical data, quantity numerical. Okay, and one more icon you can see, calendar kind of. What is this means? Any date data type. We have different data types, right? So in SQL we know what exactly data type. Okay, if a date data type, you will get the icon like this. Okay, if it is a numerical data type, you will get a prefix icon would be sigma. If text means this normal. Okay, so we'll see why it is not showing any data, what exactly it is doing people data set. Here we can't say right hand side table kind of. People is one data set. It will be turned as it is a people is table only, but here we'll call as a data set. This is the returns is one data set. Sales order is one data set. The terminology we need to call it as data set. Okay, just click on home and this just go for transformation data. Okay, I am just going to transform the data. If you click on transform data, Power Query window editor, it will open. You can do all your transformations in Power Query editor window. This is called as Power Query editor window. All transformations like if you want to merge the data or append the data, or if you want to do grouping or data related any transformations, if you want to do, you will do at this window, in this window itself. Okay, yeah, I have data in people data set. This is the language, what it is like, this is M language. If you see here, this is a table dot, whatever it is writing this code, this is M language. So that whatever it is fetching the data, whatever we are doing here, that steps will be recorded, what we are doing actually. Okay, I will show exactly what those steps. This is one interview question. In this is a actually whatever the things we are doing, it would be recorded here, applied steps. Okay, and if I look at this data, so column 1 I am getting, and I am getting person and region. Okay, that is the what it is exactly. These all are actually column names, but column name also it is considered as a data. So what I do, this first row, it has to consider as a header. Then the rest of the rows has to consider as a data. So that time what I'll do for that, use first row as headers. Just click this option. Okay, if I do that, so my first row would be considered as an headers. So that step has recorded here what I have done. What I have done, if I cancel the step, then it will come to the previous thing. I am just canceling the previous steps what I have done. Okay, earlier I have just source of the data, just navigation, and change the data type. These steps only I have. But here I am promoting the first row as headers, because column 1, column 2 means These column names are meaningless. What is column 1? What is column 2? This column name is person, this column name is region. So I am just using first row as headers option. Okay. Once I do whatever activity I have done, it has been recorded right side. Okay. And I'll just, once you do, then left hand side, you can apply. You can apply means it saves that. Okay. Apply. Just click on returns. In Power BI, we don't have any write back facility. So if you are doing here any changes, it won't apply. It does not have any write back facility. Okay. The transformations, whatever we are doing, that is doing here itself, not at the original DB, original source. Sorry. We are not doing any source. In source, we are not doing any changes. What is the difference between Excel Power Query Editor and Power BI? Both are same. Both are same, Vignesh. Yeah, both are same. Actually, that is the reason, like, if you know Excel, and this is the advanced version of the Excel, I can say. Most of the things, like, because Excel also O365, it's a part of O365, right? Office, both are Microsoft products. So Power BI, if anyone is, people will say no prerequisites, but I will say, so if you know Excel and if you have any DB knowledge, that would be added advantage. Power BI would be very easy that time. Okay. Yeah, coming to the next table. I think here also like a column 1, column 2 is there. Okay. Okay, here also like a return order ID is there. Like, I am just promoting first row as a header. That step will be recorded in under applied steps. Okay. Coming to the sales order. I hope it is proper only. Yeah, these all are proper only. Here, see here, order date, order, ship date. These all are different dates. But in a preview, okay, at a time, like though you have like, 10,000 rows, but it won't show all the rows at a time. At a time, it shows like, 2,200 only, then up to like, you can, if you want, like, you need to scroll it. Entire data. You need to scroll down. That's it. Okay, close and apply. So now earlier under people data set, we have column 1, column 2. So now we have the column names. Under returns data set, we have still I have done applied changes, right? Okay, I think it is going to apply. It is going to apply. Once it is applied, then these names will get changed. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it got changed now. Okay, let me plot one chart, then we'll see. Okay. I'm just taking here, we have different charts, like, stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, like, clustered bar chart and all. Let me take it one chart. Stacked bar chart, I'm just taking. If you click it, this is the visualization pane. We have different visuals here. Like if you click it, this visual, it will, if you click here, automatically it comes on the canvas area. But if you look at, you have like, around very limited visuals you can see, around 32 visuals only you can see here. But apart from these visuals, if I want to get any other visuals also from the market, I can get, but based on our license and our organization also. Like, if you want to import any visual from marketplace, your organization should have the permission to get any visuals. Not only this, many visuals according to your project requirement, get more visuals. I want some other visuals. I can import any visuals. Okay. If it is already there in our, like, in system, in a file, you can import, but you from marketplace also you can import. But from marketplace, your organization should have the permissions. Okay. And few, like, we are using free version, and a few are supports, few it won't support. So these all are organizational visuals and app source visuals. Any visual you can take it, but you should have the permissions. These all are the visuals. It is approved by organization, but nothing is there in my, like, because we are using just a free version. Okay. All visuals. If I want to get any Gantt chart, or else, chiclet slicer, or many visuals are there. So if you want, you can get any visual. Example, we'll try to like, get one visual. What is this one? Circle KPI related, and else Gantt chart. I'll get the Gantt chart. Okay. And if you observe here, like this tick mark is there, right? Okay. Check mark, tick mark. If you have this tick mark, these all are the visuals certified by Microsoft company. Power BI certified. These all are the visuals. These tick mark visuals, Power BI certified visuals. Okay. So few visuals, see this circle KPI, it is not a certified Power BI. Power BI, it is not certified. But you can import any Power BI, and it is not certified also. But this is bit risky. Like, if few organizations, they don't allow, actually. They will restrict to import these visuals. So if you have Sankey chart, so these all are the things. If you have permission, you can do that. So let me try to import one custom visual as well. Like, from marketplace, I can import. Okay, it is saying Gantt chart. So if I wanted to see, and a few people, if it is required, like, these they will buy also. Like, if organization permits, if this particular visual is required, they will buy. I'm just adding. Yeah, see, once earlier I have these many visualizations only. This one I just imported from marketplace. The visual is successfully into this report. Okay, if you want, you can get the required visuals from marketplace. Okay, so coming to here, I just clicked here on this any visual. Just if you click, it will come to the canvas area. If you just select that visualization here, these all are the charts. Any chart you will have x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and in y-axis what you need to give, x-axis what you need to give, and in legend what you wanted to present. That is like how you want to present your data. Okay, I want to present my data like category wise. Categories I am taking in y-axis, and let me take categories in x-axis. We'll see. And I will take like okay, categories I am taking on x-axis, and I want to show sales data category wise. No, it is taking counter category wise. Sales, where is the sales? Where is the, let me increase bit, like move this pane so that it would be clear. And I am showing in 100% zoom.
Above row ID. Above row ID, downside it is.
I'm sorry.
Sales is there above row ID.
Okay. Like I'm just zooming. Actually, I'm struggling to look at. Yeah. You said somewhere where it is profit. He is here. Like discount is here, and
Row ID, below row ID.
Come
below.
down.
Okay.
Region, row ID, and sales.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm just scrolling down. This is the sales. Okay. I'm just adding sales here. Okay. No, we'll do reverse. Actually, a custom, this category has to be here. Sales, I will take it here. Sum of sales, it is taking as actually x-axis, it is takes the values, and category wise, I wanted to show. Okay, what exactly it is doing? Let me increase the chart so that it is easily visible to you. Okay, what exactly it is doing? Okay, these all are the different categories we have technology, office supplies, like furniture. These all are the categories what I have. Or else I can take it region wise. That would be best. Region wise sales will take it. Region. Okay. No need to struggle this much. Okay. I can search it here also. I can search here also. If you just, search, you will get that. And region, if I just click it here, region wise, like, just for explaining is easy. I can take it any category wise, region wise, anything. Like, just to give, like, explaining it is bit easy. That is the reason I just has taken regional wise data. In my chart, what I am doing here, I am like, displaying or presenting the data region wise sales. So this is the west region, east region, south, like, central region. These all are the sales value. And we'll take legend. What will take legend? We
Keeping the
will
same
take like, regions. I'm sorry, you're saying something?
keeping the same chart, can we project profit on each zones?
Yeah, we can do that. Here I am just, has taken an example like a sales. So if you want to, like, present your profit, you can do that also.
Same chart.
Okay. We can do
Means like-
copy paste this one easily.
Like 3 will be
Okay.
there, no, ma'am. 3 will be there, like zone wise and category and profit.
That
Means,
hierarchy level I am
region
not
is there,
getting.
some of sales is there.
No. This is just first class, right? Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll do that later. No, but not now. But initially, once they started, means, if I start initial first, like, visual itself, if I am giving a hierarchy and all, people will struggle to understand, right? That is it. Okay. I'm just taking here like one more chart I just copied actually. And you can move like, right hand side like this, more options. You can move it like where you wanted to place. Okay. And here I don't want to show here like with the sales. I want to show as a profit. I want to take it here profit wise. Okay. And instead of sales, I can take profit here. Okay. And we will see the properties actually. Here, sum of sales region by region. So, but I wanted to change the title as just sales by region wise sales I wanted to add. That is my requirement. My client asked me, like, give the name as region wise sales. Then how to do that? Just select it, go for here properties, visual properties, and click. And here, like, not visual, in a just here format, you need to first click, then just go for general properties. Here you will have title. If you don't want title, you can off. If I just turn off, you don't have title, but I need a title, but I want to add my own title, then just click here and just you please type here whatever the title you want. Oh, I want region wise sales. Region wise sales. Okay. So, and here I can do like a Word or Excel kind of, like I can do that bold and and even formattings, all formattings I can do it. I want a center alignment, I can do that. Okay, and this text color, I don't want black color example, but okay, I just wanted to give some other color, font color, I can apply that. Okay, these all are the formattings how I want. And coming to here, like west, east, these all are these bars. It is by default, it is taking like a blue color. If I want to fill any other colors, what we can do in the visual, okay, go to the bars. The color, it is taking like a blue. I don't want a blue color. I want to take any other color. Yes, it is possible. So I can go as per my choice. Okay. And I want to give here legend as well. So legend is how much sales this, if I am keeping my mouse over, it is like a west region and it is saying the sales amount. Okay. Mouse over, if I am just using mouse over, it is showing. But I want to on here legend, I wanted to give data values, I wanted to see there. So what I can do,
Hello, Veni garu. Can we change the colors for different regions?
sorry, what is your question?
Can we change the different colors for different regions?
Different colors for different regions. In this particular chart, it is not possible. But if you take another visual, it is possible. I'll show in different this thing. Okay. And I want to give here even lesson. Data labels, just give these data labels on. It is off now. Yeah. If you give these data labels, it would be easy. Like you can easily understand the data. Yeah. Someone is asking that bars, they wanted to give for all categories, for each category, one color they wanted to take. Okay. For West category, I wanted to give here some different color. They want to see like that. Okay. This is for West category. Here, how you are selecting, that is depends on. Okay. So I wanted to give East category some other color. It's possible. I will take another visual there, whatever we there also I will show. I'm just, let me complete this one, and I will take central to another color. Okay, I'm just taking this one. Here, if you, this is stacked bar chart. If you I am just taking, I want to represent the same data in other visual. How it is going to take, just we'll see. I am just going to take another visual, that is, we have seen stacked bar chart. I am just going to take stacked column chart. Here, how it represents, we'll see. Okay, here, like I want to represent a region. I want region. Region. Like I have in a people also region and sales order also. I am just taking sales order region. Okay. I am just taking region here. I will explain. Let me see first, then I'll explain what exactly I am trying to show. Okay. Sales. Sales. Okay. I'm just giving region. I want to take it as a legend. Legend also you can take it. Legend. Region. I want to take it as a legend. Okay. So if you look at this visualization and this visualization, okay, let me just resize this one because I need to show this visualization as well. If you want to move, just in the more options, just press and hold the visual and drag it how you want. Okay. Okay. The same data here, if you look at what is the difference between these stacked bar chart and stacked column chart. If you look at here on the y-axis, it is taking textual data, regional data, and in x-axis it is taking values, sales. But coming to this visualization, on x-axis it takes regional data, textual item it is taking on x-axis, and in a y-axis it is taking sales data. Okay, and if you look at here, something 0.8 and 0. Million it is starting, but I am not specifying what is the starting we need to take, ending we need to take. Based on a data, automatically it takes. If you have it is starting with 0 millions. If I have till 10 millions, 20 millions, so based on that it will take automatically. No need to tell you need to take this much, this I need this much range. No need to specify. By default, automatically it will take based on your data. Okay, but here just representation is like reverse order. Here it is taking regions in a Y column, but here it is taking in this column chart, it is taking regions on a x-axis and sales value in a y-axis. So if you want to look at only central data, just if you click here, only central, it will highlight only central. If I want to see only south related data only highlights. But if you observe, if you are doing anything, it is automatically filtering even other visuals as well. That means interaction we are doing. Okay, I just wanted to see only west data. So only west related, only it will highlight in the respective these things. If I want to see only east data, only it is interacting even other visuals. Okay, this is the interaction between visuals. Okay, till here, like, in a charts, you can do the same thing in Excel also, but their interaction won't be there. Here, we can interact with the visuals, and we can filter out the data as well. Yeah, someone has raising some question. Let me check can we change the color of the regions? Yes, we can do that. We can do that practically I have shown. Please, can you show how to change the color? I have just select the bars. Just this called as in a bar. Just select the bar. Okay. Then go for formatting of visualization. Under that, go to the general. General is for title related. For here, bars. Just click on bars. Here, like, earlier we have all. So irrespective of particular region wise, it is applies to all. But if you want to specifically, if you want to give different colors, then you can go for respective region and you can apply the color. I just wanted to give color for west. Then again it is giving the color. If I want any more colors also, I can go, like, I can get the color what I want. Okay. So in this way, you can get any color as per your choice. But don't go for any odd colors. Normally, designing also very important. Just these colors. If you join any company in real environment, no, so they will give, if they have any cosmetic things, if they have any specifications, color specifications also, in a requirement document they will specify. So we need that color, means you have to provide that color only. If they are asking to take a particular font, you need to follow that particular font only. If you are not following the requirement specification, they will reject your, inequality. While checking the quality, though your report is fetching proper data, the client won't accept. Okay, should be very careful while working. Okay, whatever, how they want, just listen to the client. How they want, just design and give it to them. That's it. Okay, coming to, I'll just check another visual. If I'll take this visual clustered column chart, okay, I'm taking region and I'm taking sales. Okay, and we already have seen this, huh? Okay, both are same, right? We have seen this chart. This also we have seen. What about this? This is also okay. Okay, and let me take another, if I wanted to like represent any of your column level data, like date related data. If you look at date related data, if anything order date is there, if you look at order date, like automatically order date hierarchy it is giving. So year, under quarter, month, day, this is the hierarchy. So if I want to represent my data, I'm just for any date related things, better just if you represent, like if you show in your data in a line chart, that would be better, any date related. Okay, you can go as per your choice how you want. I want to go with only even clustered bar charts also. I can show here how I want to show here. Here I want to show my data year wise. So what I will do, I'll just get the year. So it is taking 2017 this much sales, 2016, 2015, 14. And if I want to give data labels, that would be good. And even here also year wise, if you want to change bar colors, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, how we are going to represent in the same chart? If I am taking another visualization, I am just taking line chart. What exactly it is saying? In 2014 this much, in 2015 it has come down, and coming to 2016 it got increased. Sorry. And 2017 it got increased. See how this graph, so it is increasing. Okay, so in that way. Yeah, any doubts till here? I'm just going to save. I'm going to stop the session here. So is there is any doubts?
One doubt, man.
Yeah,
Any
tell me.
access in any access can be overlay like two fields.
Yeah, you can do that. Like here, that time hierarchy it will come. Example, here I am just showing year wise, right? So I want to see even month wise as well. Okay, so what I will do, so quarter wise also or month wise, in that I can take it another hierarchy, quarter wise. I just can take that one. Okay, in 2014, and what is the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, quarter 3, how much it is giving quarter wise. Okay, under that quarter again I want to see, this is hierarchy, month wise. Okay, so how it is showing, like in 2014 quarter wise, and again month wise. In January, February, all the months it is showing. In that again one more level, if you want, even you can go for day wise. Okay, so this is hierarchy, multiple levels. You can, this is drill up one more level, this is year wise. Okay, this is first year wise. Okay, this is first year wise. Next level drill down is one more level. Next level, you can click here also, both are same. Okay, this is just year wise. If you click here, you will get along with year quarter wise. If you click one more expand, you will get year, quarter, month. If you give day also, you can get that, but graph would become fully clumsy, but let me try that one. This is hierarchy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, this is hierarchy. So how you are going to take means that is based on your requirement. How you need to present your data, what exactly client is asking to get the data. So based on your requirement, you will go. So I don't want I wanted to get the data only particular year, only all the months. That time what I will do, I'll filter out the data. What I will do, I'll filter out the data. I don't want all the years. I just want basic filtering. I just want 2017 only. Okay. And 2017 only I want. And I don't want, I just want all the months. And I don't want all these quarters and all. Okay. So that time I'm just eliminating these things. (2017) only monthly data. I am just fetching monthly data. So and let me expand so that it would be clear for you to see that. So here month-wise data I have taken. Let me expand. Okay, I have taken here month-wise data, but this data belongs to only 2017 month-wise data. Okay, this title also you can change. We can change in a properties. Yeah. So is there any doubts, ma? Otherwise, I'm going to stop the class. So tomorrow I will take up. I thought of saying some other functions, date functions, but no. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to wind up the session now.
No doubt, madam.
Okay, ma. Yeah.
Hello, Venigar.
Can you show
Yeah.
how to filter the year once again, just month wise?
Month-wise, what I have done here. I have filtered year. Actually, I need only particular year. So that time, I just filtered only year 2017. I don't, if you don't want, you can clear the filter. But I just want, my requirement is only 2017 data. Or else I want to see only 2015 data. How I want. If I want to see even months also, not all the months, I just want as per my choice, I just wanted to select a few months. Even that also I can do it. Okay, I am not getting all the months, few months and 1 year. We can filter out the data how we want. Okay, here I just got Jan, March, May, June, July. Only this data only I just got. This belongs to 2015 data.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, someone is asking another doubt. What is that doubt, ma?
Venigar, actual గా ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఈరోజు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కాలేకపోయాను డ్యూ టు ఆఫీస్ వర్క్ వల్ల. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు అదే కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్. రేపు మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ దాకా ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ లో మీరు చెప్పిందైతే అర్థమైంది నాకు మొత్తం మీరు ఏం చెప్పారనేది.
ఓకే.
బట్ స్టార్టింగ్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఏం చెప్పారో నాకు యాక్చువల్ లేదు. సో ఎట్లా కొంచెం మీరు ఎట్లా కవరప్ చేస్తారు, ఎట్లా చేసుకోవాలి నేను దీన్ని, మళ్ళీ రేపు క్లాస్ నాకు అర్థం అవుతుందా కంటిన్యూటీ?
అర్థమవుతుందండి. అదేం ప్రాబ్లం కాదు. ఇది జస్ట్ విజువలైజేషన్స్.
అంటే
మీకు
ఈ డేటా మీరు
అయినా
ఎక్కడి నుంచి అంటే ఈ డేటా ఎక్కడి నుంచి పుల్ చేశారు ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఇయర్లీ వైజ్ ఇవంతా మీరు అంటే ఎక్కడ ఏమైనా క్వెరీ
దిస్
ఇచ్చారా
డేటా
అందులో?
I just get the data from Excel.
ఓకే. ఎక్సెల్ అంటే మొన్న మీరు చెప్పారు మనం ఒక SQL కమాండ్స్ అక్కడ మనం అక్కడ ఇచ్చి అలా పుల్
అది
చేశారా?
నేను లాస్ట్ టైం చెప్పింది హౌ టు గెట్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ SQL సర్వర్. సో వీ
Yes,
హావ్
yes.
సీన్ హౌ టు గెట్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ SQL సర్వర్. బట్ ఇవాళ క్లాస్ లో నేను చెప్పింది హౌ టు గెట్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ ఎక్సెల్.
ఓకే. ఓకే. అంటే
మీకు
ఆల్రెడీ
SQL సర్వర్ అనుకోండి, అక్కడ మీరు సర్వర్ నేము అండ్ డేటాబేస్ DB నేము అండ్ మీ క్వెరీ ఇస్తారు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి సర్వర్ నేమ్, డేటాబేస్ నేమ్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా, డైరెక్ట్ క్వెరీ అనేది తర్వాత చెప్తాను. ఇక్కడ మీ క్వెరీ ఏంటి అనేది ఈ క్వెరీ విండోలో SQL క్వెరీ రాస్తారు. ఓకే అంటే యూ కెన్ ఫెచ్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ SQL సర్వర్. But today I am not getting the data from DB. I just got the data from Excel. Just click here and you can directly select this Excel workbook, or else in the more options you have file. Under file Excel will be there. Just click there and it will give the to browse the data. It provides that window. Just you need to browse your file. Excel, if you click and connect, okay, then where your Excel is there in your system, in that path, just go to that path and check that file. I have in a desktop Power BI material under SQL folder I have. So where your source of the file is there, just go to there and click on open. That's it.
సో ఈ డేటా అనేది ఇన్బిల్ట్ మనకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లోనే ఉంటుందా అండి ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పిన ఎక్సెల్ డేటా అనేది?
లేదండి, మీరు డేటా నేను టెస్టింగ్ దీని క్లాస్ పర్పస్ నేను ఒకటి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్నా.
ఓకే. ఓకే. అంటే మేము ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా చేయాలి దీన్ని అని
మీకు ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షేర్ దిస్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్. If you have in your own Excel files, that's okay. Few people will maybe if they are not aware the data, how to they need to feed the data in Excel sheet and all, no. So just because of that I am going to share this file.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
మేడం అన్‌స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా కూడా ఒక్కసారి ఎప్పుడైనా చూపిస్తారా?
ఏంటమ్మా
అన్‌స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా అంటే లైక్
అన్‌స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా అంటే what data you want to see?
అంటే ఫేస్‌బుక్ నుంచి కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చని ఒకసారి చెప్పారు కదా! లైక్ ఫార్మాటెడ్ డేటా కాకుండా వెబ్‌సైట్ నుంచి అంటే
వెబ్‌సైట్ నుంచి మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు, వెబ్ నుంచి. బట్ మీకు URL ఉంటే దెన్ నేను తీసుకోగలుగుతాను. I will show how to get the data from URL and DB ఆల్రెడీ చూపించాను కదా. ఫ్రమ్ వెబ్ నుంచి ఒక URL తీసుకొని ఎట్లాగా మీకు ఒకటి చూపిస్తాను. అండ్ ఒక టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ నుంచి ఒకటి చూపిస్తాను. టెక్స్ట్ 4-5 ఫార్మాట్స్ లో చూపిస్తాను. బట్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మాట్స్ నేను చూపించలేను. మీకు ఫోల్డర్ నుంచి ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలో చెప్తాను. అండ్ TXT ఫైల్ అండ్ ఎక్సెల్ అండ్ ఎక్సెల్ ఆల్రెడీ ఈరోజు చూపించేశాను. అండ్ SQL server, that is also already explained. So other 2-3 ways I will show in coming classes. I will show that on coming classes. So do you have any queries like whatever till now I have explained? If you are not able to follow, or if you have any queries, please raise these questions. But in a future sessions anyway, I am going to show another 2 to 3 types how to get the data.
మ్యామ్
చెప్పండి.
ఇక్కడ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది సేల్స్ బై మంత్ అని చెప్పేసి ఉంది కదా మ్యామ్, అది ఎట్లా చేసుకోవాలి అంటే మనం హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా, సో దాన్ని ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవడం ఎలా అని, అది మనకు ఏదైతే హెడ్డింగ్ మనకు అవైలబుల్
Right.
అంటే
Just select this particular, select this particular visual, then go to the format your visual, click on this and go to the general. Under general, title is there. If you don't want title, you can off this on and off buttons. If you want title, just keep it in on and click here, and your choice, you can give heading here. Example, I wanted to give like a ABC. That is not a meaningful title, but what you want, just type it. That's it. ABC sales report, something. That is my company name. I'm just giving like this. So how you wanted to do rest of the formattings? Like our word only. If you want a bold or text color or background, if you want to give something color, you can just go ahead and do all formattings. Background, I am just giving this color. Okay. Or else background, I am giving this color. Okay. And I am doing like, alignment, it is center. And I am giving text color black. But if you want to take any other color, you can go ahead and change. Okay. These all are the formattings. So
Okay.
under title, like you need to enter your text, and these all are the formattings, what you wanted to do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Spurti.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, tell
Actually, in visual, in Power BI, apart from visuals, like reports also we can create, right?
This is a report only.
I mean, you're
This-
presenting it
This
in
is
the
report
visual.
only, but we are presenting our data in visuals. That's it.
Yeah. So like, if you are present, if you want to present in the format of numbers, so like, is there any, particular visual, any, like if you list or something like cross tab, something like that?
Yes. We have table visualizers.
Okay.
We have table matrix. Yes.
Okay. Everything is visible under this build visual only.
Yeah, these all are the, we will use only in these visualizations only we have to present our data.
Okay.
So if these visualizations are not sufficient to us, then we can import visuals from the market. Custom visuals also you can get it.
Okay.
But for that, your organization should have the permissions.
Right.
And your license also has to support.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Because this is a visualization tool. Okay. Any other doubts?
మేడం ఇప్పుడు ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ ద్వారా కనెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఇందాక మీరు చూపించారు కదా కొర్రీ రాస్తామని ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కొర్రీ అంటే
Okay.
ఆల్రెడీ అంటే ఒక్క కొర్రీ రాసిన తర్వాత ఆ డేటా మాత్రమే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. సపోజ్ సెలెక్ట్ కొర్రీ అనే కాలంలో మనం కొర్రీ రాసాం అనుకోండి, అంటే మనకి ఏ డేటా కావాలో
Okay.
అంటే అదొక
సెలెక్ట్
డేటా
క్వెరీ అనేది మీరు క్వెరీ డేటా ఫెచ్ చేయడానికి వాడతారు. మీకు సెలెక్ట్ క్వెరీలో ఏది డేటా ప్రెజెంట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ మీరు రిపోర్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఆ డేటా క్వెరీ రాసి, ఒకవేళ మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ నుంచి డేటా తీసుకురావాలి అంటే జాయిన్స్ చేసి ఆ క్వెరీ రాసి ఆ క్వెరీని అక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సింగిల్ టేబుల్ నుంచి అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ సెలెక్ట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ టేబుల్ నేమ్. జనరల్ గా మీకు చాలా మంది దీనికి SQL నాలెడ్జ్ అవసరం లేదు అంటారు, కానీ నేను ఎందుకు కావాలి అంటాను అనేది రీజన్ అదే. మీకు అక్కడ ఒక SQL డెవలపర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, మీకు ఆ క్వెరీ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు, ఓకే. బట్ లేదు, యూ నీడ్ టు ఫెచ్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ SQL సర్వర్ అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ ద క్వెరీ. సో దట్ టైమ్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ like a knowledge how to write the query.
ఇక్కడ SQL కి మనకి ఎక్సెల్ అయితే మన షీట్స్ అన్ని ఇలా సైడ్ మన రైట్ సైడ్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. అదే ఎస్క్యూఎల్ క్వెరీతో మనం డేటా ఫెచ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, మనం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆ డేటాని, ఇంకా సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ డేటా వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద SQL Server.
No, we can do any transformations here. We can use as is, but if it is required any transformations, we can do it here.
Okay.
But whatever we are doing here transformations, that is at our report level only. But these transformations you cannot write back into DB.
Yes.
Okay, but
Okay.
here the transformations whatever you are doing, that is limited to whatever it is internally, it is saving into Power BI to that limitation only. Example, you got the data from source like 1,000 records, but in transformations, like you have deleted 100 records, though you got 1,000 records, but you have in Power BI 900 records only, because in a transformations you have done the changes. But
Yes.
these changes
It will not
you cannot
reflect
get
SQL.
write back to the DB, but these changes up to our in memory only in Power
Okay.
BI itself.
Okay.
ఒక చిన్న
Yeah.
డౌట్.
చెప్పండి,
ఇది
కొంచెం త్వరగా చెప్పరా, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఐ నీడ్ టు లాగ్ ఇన్ టు ఆఫీస్. యా, టెల్ మీ.
త్రూ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ అంటే మనం DB త్రూ కనెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు SQL క్వెరీలో వాల్యూని పాస్ చేసి ఆ క్వెరీని లైక్ ఇన్పుట్ లాగా ఇవ్వగలుగుతామా?
వాల్యూని పాస్ చేసి అంటే ఏంటి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా చెప్పండి, నేను చెప్తాను మీకు ఆన్సర్.
అంటే లైక్ ఇక్కడ మనకి డైనమిక్ గా లేదు, డైనమిక్ ఏదైనా వాల్యూస్ పాస్ చేయగలుగుతామా?
ఓకే, వీ కెన్ డూ దట్. అది ఎట్లాగా అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ వేరియబుల్ కింద తీసుకోవాలి మీరు, పారామీటర్స్ కింద వేర్ ఎంప్లాయీ నంబర్ అని. అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఏంటి అంటే మీరు ఒక స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ రాసుకోవాలి. మనం ఇంకా స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ కవర్ చేయలేదు మన
మన
SQL లో.
ఎడిటర్ లోనా, దీంట్లో రాస్తాము? ఎక్కడ రాస్తాం మేడం? అక్కడ
మీకు
SQL
SQL
సైడ్ రాయమంటున్నారా, లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ లో ఉండాలా?
ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ కాదండి, SQL లోనే ఒక స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ రాసి స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ ని ఇక్కడికి తీసుకొచ్చి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ లో పారామీటర్స్ ఇచ్చి, సో ఆ పారామీటర్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఆ పారామీటర్ వాల్యూస్ మనము ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ లో పారామీటర్ వాల్యూస్ మనం పాస్ చేయొచ్చు. అర్థం కాలేదండి? ఓకే, ఒక స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ రాసానండి, లైక్ సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ వేర్ ఎంప్ ఐడి లైక్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 అన్నాను. అంటే 10 ఎంప్లాయీస్ రికార్డ్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకొస్తుంది కదా ఆ డేటా.
అవును మేడం.
అది ఫిక్స్డ్ క్వెరీ. బట్ అట్లా కాకుండా వేర్ ఎంప్ ఐడి ఈక్వల్ టు @ అని చెప్పేసి నేను వేరియబుల్ ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి, నేను ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి ఎంత అనేది అక్కడ స్పెసిఫై చేయట్లేదు, కానీ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ అయితే క్రియేట్ చేసా. ఆ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు పారామీటర్స్ ని పాస్ చేస్తాను. ఒకసారి వచ్చి 101 వాల్యూ ఇస్తాను, ఇంకొకసారి 102 ఇస్తాను. సో లైక్ అలా మనం వేరియబుల్స్ ద్వారా మనం పారామీటర్స్ పాస్ చేసి వాల్యూస్ ని, డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ని వీ కెన్ ఫెచ్. సారీ, మీకు ఎలా అనేది చూపించాలి అంటే అది లేదండి, ఇంకా కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ లో చెప్తాను. వన్స్ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ క్రియేట్ చేయడము మీకు SQL లో కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత హౌ టు ఫెచ్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ SQL సర్వర్ లైక్ బై యూజింగ్ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ అనేది నేను ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాను మీకు. మీకు స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలియకుండా మీకు ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ ప్రొసీజర్ తీసుకొచ్చి చూపించాను అనుకోండి, పీపుల్ విల్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్. So those all things I am going to show in coming sessions.
One question from my side. Actually, SQL నుంచి డేటా యాక్సెస్ చేసేటప్పుడు క్వెరీ రాయాలి అనుకుంటున్నాం కదా, So can we directly access a single table and transform here like a suppose employment
that is
salary?
also we can do that. That is also we can do that. Directly you can connect to the table and you can get the data. బట్ యాక్చువల్గా టేబుల్ రాయడానికి క్వెరీ రాయడానికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే మీరు అడగచ్చు ఒక టేబుల్లో ఒక 2 lakhs రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇక్కడ లైక్ వన్ జీబీ లిమిటేషన్ ఉంది. లేకపోతే ఒక టేబుల్లో 1 crore రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 1 crore రికార్డ్స్ మీకు ఇక్కడ అది ఒక 10 years డేటా ఉంది మీ దగ్గర డీబీలో. ఆ 10 years డేటా ఇక్కడికి డంప్ చేసేసి ఇక్కడ మీరు క్వెరీ రాయకుండా ఇక్కడికి తీసుకురావడం వల్ల పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ వేస్ట్ కదండి. ఇంత మెమరీ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా. బట్ మీరు అక్కడ ఒక సెలెక్ట్ క్వెరీ రాసి వేరే కండిషన్ లో పర్టికులర్ ఇయర్ డేటానే కావాలని ఫిల్టర్ చేసుకొని ఆ క్వెరీ తెచ్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మీకు మెమరీ మీకు సేవ్ అవుతుంది కదా.
Okay. Is DAX query and SQL query are similar? What is it actually? DAX means?
No. DAX queries are different. SQL queries are different. DAX queries are those all are like it is similar to Excel functions. మీరు ఎక్సెల్ లో రాస్తారు చూసారు, ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ రాయొచ్చు ఎక్సెల్ లో. సో మోర్ ఆర్ లెస్ మీకు అట్లా ఉంటాయి.
Okay. In Power BI, can we add any
like
custom
it is similar to Excel formulas, I can say. Not functions, similar to Excel formulas.
Okay. In Power BI, can we add our required custom objects like if you want to add any kind of suppose salary, and if I want to take some summation of salary as another column, can I do that like adding extra columns?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah, any deriving things, calculations, those all things we can do. Highest salary, minimum, maximum. So those all are by writing like DAX queries, we can do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So if you don't have any questions, actually Saturday and holidays time I can spend, but every day I cannot spend because actually 1.5 hour class, almost 2 hours is exceeding. Okay, so if you have any questions, I am ready to clarify. All your doubts are valid doubts only. So I am not saying please don't ask your doubts, not like that. But please in my free time I am ready to answer all your queries. Saturdays, okay, if you want me to sit like 2 hours 3 hours, I don't have an issue. But rest of the days, time constraint. Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Okay. Yeah, Spurtiom, please do the practice, and I am going to share this Excel file. Just load that Excel file and do the practice. Okay. Yeah, Spurtiom.